Hey people, what is up? Welcome back to our channel. And yeah, today we'll be doing an unboxing or also i-reveal natin ang ating new workspace, gaming space. Ayan, na mano-mano namin pininturahan ni Momonski. And also again, we will be unboxing this the gaming table or desk. Also, updates on stuff. Again, ito nga, the new office space na namin ni Momonski. Well, for now, it's just mine. Pero soon, Momonski will have her own area here as well. And ayan, so siguro baka makita nyo sometime soon, I'll be using the white Secret Labs chair kasi yan, may unbox din si Momonski, which is, and hindi ko muna i-spoil, but it's definitely something to look forward to. So without further ado, well, actually, ikakat ko muna, ipapakita muna natin yung process on how we painted everything, and I think it turned out nice. And when I get back, we'll be doing the unboxing of this, well, building unboxing. And si Lemonina sa harap ng camera. Hey guys, what's up? So ayan, we're gonna do some home renovations, and kita nyo nakapangbahay lang tayo kasi pipinturahan natin tong buong area na to, which is the old dining room. Ayan, so gagawin namin siyang office slash gaming area namin ni Momonski. Pero sa since wala pa siyang PC, sa akin muna. Pero ano, at the end, ayan, sa amin dalawa. So ang plano is kukulayan namin siya ng dark blue with some white strips, abstract strips. So ayan, tingnan nyo na lang, i-document namin yung entire process.
So, wala na salamin, and iniisod na din natin ng kaunti ng bahagya ang ating frigidaire. And ayan, medyo sira yung socket natin, so tomorrow pa natin naayusin. And it's so busy eating money. So, naglagay na din tayo ng mga tapes dito sa paligid. And we're kind of thinking of adding some coverage dito sa sliding door, and I don't think and I think it's okay kasi ayun, cover para may pagka-cave feel yun. Tapos ayun, nakabili na din kami ng kanina hindi kami nakapag-vlog kasi nga ba, init. But nakabili na kami ng tawag doon, ng blinds dito for the window. And dito wala kasi ang laki ng sliding door. So maghahanap tayo. Sana may available. Kasi naghanap na din kami kahapon sa IKEA. But wala. So sana sa ibang stores tomorrow, if we'll be able to go somewhere, makakuha tayo. And ano pa ba? Okay, so bakit daw ako may makeup pa? Di ba kakauwi lang natin? Kakabili lang natin ng mga something. Mamaya na tayo alis ng makeup.
Yan guys, ano na tayo, first coating ng ating new DIY. Since ayun yung pipil off natin later. So, hindi nyo pa imagine, pakita na lang namin mamaya.
Yeah, so
I think ko, magiging maganda naman siguro yung kalalabasan.
yeah, of course it will. Okay, so ita-time-lapse namin yung iba, ginagawa namin kasi. Para makita. So, meron nga pala kaming division of task. So, since isa lang yung available nating roller. Yeah, and I'm kinda a bit din na may pagkakuripot, pero so, if pwede pa yung mga gamit namin, ginagamit pa talaga namin. Siyempre. So, ninayos lang din to ni Papa kasi nagtumatalsik na eh. Okay, so since isa lang yung roller, meron kaming division of labor. Siya yung magro-roll dun sa most of the part, and ako dun sa detail. Yes, sa mga edges. Okay, so let's go!
So yun guys, ito nga pala ang ating store. Pero since ito na din yung ginamit namin sa room namin, which was, parang kasarap niyang gamitin since unang-unang bilis na tuyo.
Pakita mo yung label.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, not sponsored, pero
Ayan.
pakita mo yung
Ayan,
label.
ang bilis niyang matuyo, tapos walang odor. Halos mabango pa nga yung odor niya. So,
Odor.
talaga yung gamitin sa pagpapaint ng lalo ng malalaking rooms.
And quick dry lang siya.
Sabi ko na. Tapos ito kulay niya. Medyo white siya. Off-white siya ng konti. Hindi siya pure white. So, ayan yung pinili namin. Tapos i-prepare namin siya with this, ano ba yun? Dark blue one. Dark blue yung pinaka-main. Tapos parang may mga highlights na.
Okay, so as you can see, super dirty na nung ating room because we're living in our old house and our parents allowed us to do whatever we want. Yeah, so again, bye! Let's go! Okay, so bibispisan muna natin yung mga edges. This one is combo. And, ayan. Kita nyo, ito pa yung ref namin kasi this is really our dining room. And this is our dirty kitchen. And soon to be, we'll fix it also. This one will be our laundry area.
Hey, handsome boy wants to say hi. Hello.
Okay, so quick update. We're actually done, almost done sa pagpipaint ng white, ng primer, kind of primer look ng ating wall. And then, he's now doing, wait, let me switch the camera. Ginagawa mo?
Tape. Para sa
Hubadin mo na yan, magkakapaint yan. Ay. Okay, so hindi masyadong kita sa ano. So gamitin natin ang masking tape para magkaroon ng parang anong gusto mong mangyari? Lines effect na? Hindi, may sinasabi ka kahapon eh.
Highlights sa dark blue. Parang hindi siya sobrang dark.
But a different visitor right now. Look, we have Mommy! Ang tagal na nilang di nakapag-room because we have some random rare issue with the cat room.
So ayan guys, we're at night 3 ng aming art project with eto gagawin namin gaming room gaming room / office. Ayan, so kung hindi siya office pero makikita nyo parang line yun. Ayun, like paano ba? Ayun, line. Yan. So yan, may magic dyan after. So, ilagyan namin ng tape and after matapos pinturahan lahat ng edges, i-peel off namin na mag-reveal ng white lines and parang full detail lang dun sa room. Tapos syempre, highlights yung white and then we're gonna do some light sources para hindi masyadong dark yung room. So ayan, tapusin lang namin and i-reveal namin once ipipil na yung tape. Ayan guys, i-reveal na namin yung effect na
Wala nang gagawin para. Hindi ba tapos yung dala? Okay, so ano bang lahat sa loob niyan? Nilagyan namin ng basta
Para i-guide.
actually yung talim ang nagbibigay ng mabilisang feeling sensation.
So yan guys, that's how we painted the entire room, the old dining room, of course, and nilipat na namin lahat. And now we're gonna set up this gaming desk. So fast forward or time lapse ko na lang para hindi masyadong tagal yung video. So yun guys, ito na nga pala yung gaming table, and ayan, papakita ko sa inyo yung parang sinet namin na maximum height for it. So ayan, medyo nataas pa siya, pero ayan, nataas pa siya pero ayan na lang yung sinet namin kasi because of the wires, and saka ayan din naman yung parang height na maganda siya na for standing, working while standing. So bakit nga ba kailangan ng standing desk? Bakit pa kailangan ng nataas pa ba na desk? Kasi of course, mas healthy na hindi ka buong araw nakaupo. So, and since we also have the Apple Watch na nagre-remind sa amin every few hours to stand up. So, we can continue working while standing up as well. Ayun nga, so we can parang tuloy-tuloy trabaho. No pauses for the remaining, the rest of the day. So, kahit pinapatayo tayo ng Apple Watch, tuloy-tuloy lang. And it's good for your back. Kasi masakit sa likod na buong araw nakaupo. And ayun lang, so ayun. You can set this table, parang pwede mo siyang i-preset na hanggang 4 heights na gusto mo. So ako sinet ko siya ng yung parang magandang level for sitting down, and then pag tatayo ka para hindi mo nasa tuhod mo, that's the number 2. And then the 4th one is again, the perfect height for me na nakatayo. Although, pwede pa siyang tumaas. Pero, I wouldn't, well, not for me, hindi na pwede kasi, again, the wires is the limitation. And again, perfect naman na yung height for standing while working. So yeah guys, this is the final look for now ng ating finished office setup. So, ayan. Kung naalala nyo ang ating mga Predator monitors from Acer. Of course, our Predator Orion 5000. And at the back, ayan, hindi ko lang kung kita nyo, pero yung gaming chair ni Momonski. Ayan, kasi nga meron siyang i-unbox na bago. So, ayan, check it out. I think siguro mga few days after we post this video, lalabas na din yung yung unboxing ng kanyang bagong chair for her side of the office. Ayan. So, temporarily pa lang to finished kasi we're planning to add more stuff, of course, in the future. So, ayan. Siguro slowly na lang natin i-update. And And hopefully by the end of the year, maybe, or next few years, ayun, tsaka totally mapafinalize tong office/gaming area natin. So, ayun guys, hope you like this video. This is me, your bearded bro, Quicksilver 15, signing off. Peace!